Okay, what you got there?
Okay, I got a package from my grandma, and I'm going to get ready to see what's in here.
Go open it up. Come on.
Awesome! Look!
Cool.
Oh, look at these!
Wow.
That's cool.
Those are pretty special.
Yeah. Ooh, gummy worms!
Yummy.
Yeah, they're slimy. Popsicles!
Yum.
I love popsicles. That's...
Your grandma's so nice, isn't she?
Yeah, can I have a popsicle right now?
No, they gotta freeze. Okay, don't open it. And there's with Splenda. That's good. All right, say bye. Say hey.
Bye, Grandma, and thank you. And thank you to Grandpa. Hey, Mom.
What?
Where?
Grandma who?
Grandma Jeannie.
Grandpa who?
And Grandpa Jesse.
Grandpa who?
I mean, Grandpa was.
You think your bro Grandpa was his heart? You better say sorry, Grandpa.
Sorry, Grandpa.
Say I still love you.
I still love you.
You still love me?
Yes, I still love you.